Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Shabnum Zaman and I am lecturer of economics from last 5 years. Welcome to our channel Upgrade Your Grade. I hope you all are liking our videos related to bio and English. And today's video is about economics, and today we are going to discuss about the definition of economics. Economists related to different school of thoughts have given their own definition about economics. Now we will discuss about three schools of thought. These are classical economist, neoclassical economist, and the modern economist. Classical economist, we will discuss about the definition given by Adam Smith. In neoclassical, we will discuss about the Professor Marshall's definitions, and in modern economist, we will discuss about the Professor Robins' definition. Now moving towards our first definition, that is given by Adam Smith. Adam Smith was a Scottish economist, a philosopher, and a writer. Sir Adam Smith has defined economics as a science of wealth, and the main points of his definition are production of wealth, consumption of wealth, distribution of wealth, and exchange of wealth. Production of wealth means how we produce wealth or the necessities of life by the four factors of production, that are land, labor, capital, and organization. By consumption of wealth, we mean how we consume wealth, and this wealth is consumed by human being or all mankind. By distribution of wealth, we means how this wealth is distributed among these four factors of production. As land get rent, labor get wages, capital get interest, and last factor of production, organization, get profit. First main point of Professor Adam Smith's definition is exchange of wealth. It means that how wealth exchange from one person to another. Our second economist is Professor Alfred Marshall. Professor Alfred Marshall was a British economist, and he has given his definition in his book Principle of Economics, which he has written in 1890, and define economics as the science of material welfare of mankind. First main point of Professor Marshall's definition is wealth and material welfare. It means that we earn wealth for the welfare of human being, or we earn material things or material welfare just for the sake of mankind or the sake of welfare of human being. Professor Alfred Marshall also says that economics is at the one side study of wealth and the other side study of mankind, and he has also given the name of social science to the economics. In economics, we will discuss about all the individual and the social actions which are related to gain material requisites. Now moving towards the third and the last definition, that is given by Professor Robins. Professor Lionel Robins was also a British economist, and he is famous for his quote, "Humans want what they can't have." So he has given the definition of economics as economics is the science of scarcity and choice. The first main point of Lionel Robins' definition is that wants are unlimited, and it is a fact that human wants are always unlimited, and these wants keep on rising again and again. Secondly, wants are not equally important. That is why we have the choice between most important want and the less important want. Thirdly, means are also limited to fulfill these wants. For example, we have limited income and we have not limited natural resources to fulfill these wants. Fourth and the last main point of Professor Robins' definition is means have alternative uses. For example, wood can be utilized for making furniture, for fire, for shadow, and for oxygen also. So this was our today's lecture. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can comment us. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.